So hello everyone, today at March 10 we are modifying Urban Red Ertiga 2021 model. It's a ZXi, not a ZXi. We have installed seat covers as you see, seat covers for the car. We have installed wooden seat bits. These are very comfortable, and we have installed lamination mats. It's waterproof, dust proof. So as you can see, and still the work, as you can see, all the fitment that we do is all OEM inspired, and we only follow OEM things. Customer wanted that the stitch pattern would be in diamond, so we gave him diamond, and the look should be evenly out from the interior and the exterior. So he chose ivory and maroon. So